Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is October 1st. That means that it's the first Halloween look of this year, and I'm so excited that I have to sing. Today's look I'm going to be calling Voodoo Witch. I really honestly had no idea what to name this, so if you have a better idea, comment that down below. Make sure you are still subscribed to my channel and you have notifications turned on so you never miss a new video. I'll also post my Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter for you guys if you want to follow me there for more updates. To begin this look, I'm going to create my prop. I really loved the way that this headpiece turned out, so this was really simple and cheap to make. I actually picked these horns up from a costume store, but they are available in a bunch of places. You could also make these easily out of a handful of different items. But I thought it was kind of boring by itself, so I really wanted to dress it up and create more of a feminine, pretty type look. So I'm going to use these dollar store fake flowers and this little skull guy here, which I picked up from a craft store. I'll post all the information as well as links to shop and discount codes for you guys down below. This is my collection of different miscellaneous pieces of costumes, props, broken jewelry. I like to hold on to those. They're really easy to use for things such as this. This truly is the best example of turning trash into treasure. But I'm just going to use a hot glue gun to apply these, and while I let that set and dry, I'm going to move on to the makeup. So to begin the makeup itself, I'm going to start using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation and Concealer. I'm going to apply the foundation on all over, and then to give a bit more coverage, the concealer in the T-zone and under eye. Then to contour, I'm going to use my NYX Highlight and Contour palette, and I'm placing this in the cheekbones, down the sides of my nose, and I'm framing the face. Then to set cream products, I'm going to use my Airspun translucent powder and I'll bop this on all over just to soak up any excess shine and oil. I really love the way that this smells. It smells like a grandmother. All right, Bee was not blessed with brows, so we're gonna fake it till we make it. And that's all right, we're just gonna fill them in. Using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, I'm just going to darken and thicken these up, especially the back end area with the little tails. I don't have much hair right there. Moving on to the eyes, I'm going to first take this black eye pencil from LA Girl. I really like the way that this pencil applies. It's very soft, creamy texture. It's also very long wearing, so I'm just going to basically rim my eyeballs on the lash line, corner to corner, and waterline. This is going to create a base to get the blackest of the black pigment from the eyeshadow. And we're just going to use a small brush to smudge this out. And I know it looks really messy right now, but just trust the process. So for the eyeshadow itself, I'm using my Bad Habit eyeshadow palette, and I'm using the matte black. And I'm just going to use a smaller, fluffier brush and place this right over top, blending back and forth, corner to corner, up on the lid into the crease. I'm also just going to place this right over top the bottom lash line. This is going to create a very dark, smoky eye. Then over top, to get the pop of red or blood, I'm going to use a water-activated red paint. I use these a lot in my Halloween tutorials. They're just super easy to work with. And I'm going to use a few different tools to achieve the look I'm going for. I'm first going to use a stipple brush, so this is a great option. You could also use a craft brush or sponge or toothbrush, really whatever you want. So I'm going to do a mix of dots, lines, splatters, smudges, all around the eye. I'm also going to use that black eyeshadow again and the two reds in that eyeshadow palette to blend out other areas. Then using that water-activated paint, I'm going to pool this under the eye and then let this fall. Basically, it's going to be like bloody red tears or smudges. Again, you can add more or less. It's completely up to you. To get the splatter effect, I'm going to use a toothbrush with that water activated paint and just use my finger to pull the bristles back and then fling this on my eye. You really gotta commit to your Halloween or special effects look. I really love to incorporate different parts of the face and body in the makeup, not just the face or eye itself. So I'm gonna bring this same pattern or look down on my neck, hands, and chest. I also applied some on the mouth area. So not only do I like to incorporate the rest of the face or body, but I also like to add props. So as I said in the beginning, I made this headpiece. I'm also going to apply a wig, contact lenses, which I do have a discount code for you guys, so check that out in the description box. Be sure to take advantage of that. Contact lenses are the perfect way to top off any costume or look. It's kind of like the icing on the cake. And be sure to order early enough to give yourself enough time to receive them before Halloween. I'm also going to add this broken necklace on top of the headpiece. I just used some hairpins to secure it to the wig and crown itself, and a faux nose ring to make it pretty badass. I really loved the way that this turned out. It's the perfect mix between sexy, sultry, glamorous, feminine, and gore with the red paint or blood. And again, you could use this for a ton of different style looks. I would love to know what you guys plan on being this year or what you would like me to do in my upcoming tutorials, so be sure to comment that down below as well. I always try to get as many out for you guys as I can, so let me know what you're looking for. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to make sure you're still subscribed and check out the information in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.